हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम लोग एम एल अग्रवाल के बुक से क्लास 12 का एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव से कुछ सम्स प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। एक्सरसाइज 6.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 16। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, अ पार्टिकल मूव्स along a curve y equals to 2 by 3 x cube plus 1. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing twice as fast as the x coordinate. Let the coordinate be p, 2p. Now y equals to 2 by 3 x cube plus 1, taking derivative with respect to t. So dy by dt is equal to 2 by 3 into 3x square into dx by dt. 1 is constant, that's why its derivative is 0. So putting those values here, 2p is equal to 2 into x square into p. 2p cancel from either sides. So x square remain from right side and y remain from this side. X square equals to 1, x equals to plus minus 1. Hence, again we are using the equation of the curve y equals to 2 by 3 x cube plus 1. Putting x equals to 1, so 2 by 3 into 1 cube plus 1, 2 by 3 plus 1, make it 5 by 3. Again using the second value, 2 by 3 into minus 1, 2 by 3 into minus 1 cube plus 1, minus, hence it will be minus 2 by 3 plus 1, make it minus 1 by 3. Hence those points are respectively 1, 5 by 3 and minus 1, 1 by 3. Question number 17. A man of height 2 meters walks at a uniform speed of 5 km per hour away from the lamp post, which is 6 meters high. Find the rate at which the length of the shadow increases. Here it is. Here is the lamp post of 6 meters high. A man of height 2 meters. Man is walking away from the lamp post at the rate of 5 km per hour. Considering this length NO as x meters and this length as NO as y meter and PN as x meter. Now triangle OPL and ONM are similar triangles. OPL and ONM are similar. Therefore, LP by OP is equal to MN by ON. MN by ON. Here it comes 6 by 2. Height by height is equal to total length by smaller length. X plus y by y. तो 2 से 6 को कैंसिल किया तो 3y equals to x plus y. 2y equals to x. Thereafter, taking derivatives from either sides. So 2 into dy by dt equals to dx by dt. Putting the value here, dx by dt equals to 5. Dx by dt equals to 2 into dy by dt equals to 5. Therefore, dy by dt is equal to 5 by 2 km per hour. Now, question number 18. Question number 18 is given as a kite is 120 meter high and 130 meter of string is out. If the kite is moving horizontally at the rate of 5.2 meter per second, find the rate at which the string is being paid out of the instant. Here it is given. We know it is the string and it is at height at which the kite is moving away. So hence we can say OA square plus OB square equals to AB square. OA square plus OB square is equal to AB square. 120 square plus OB square equals to 130 square. OB square is equal to 130 square minus 120 square, make it 50 square. Therefore, OB is equal to 50 meters. Therefore, we can say OB by AB is equal to x by y, assuming this one is x meter per second moving and this one is y meter per second. So OB by AB equals to x by y. So its length is 50 by 130 is equal to rate at which they are moving, x by y. तो कैंसिल आउट कर रहा है, तो 0 0 दोनों तरफ से तो आपका क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद मिला x इक्वल्स टू 5/13 इंटू वाई. नाउ टेकिंग डेरिवेटिव्स on other sides. So dx by dt is equal to 5/13 into dy by dt. Taking derivative with respect to t. तो 5/13 into dy by dt का वैल्यू जो दे रखा है 5.2 मतलब 552/10. इसको काट पीट के हम लोग को मिल रहा है as 2 meters per second. It is the rate at which the string is being paid out. Now it is question number 19. The sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the sand cone increasing when the height is 4 cm? Given h is equal to 1/6 of r. Here is the picture. H is equal to 1/6 of r. Therefore, we can assume r is equal to 6h. R equals to 6h. Putting those values respectively here, h equals to 4 cm. Therefore, r will be 1/6 into 4. 6 will be cross multiplied with 4. So 6 4s are 24. R equals to 24 cm. Again, we know the volume of the cone equals to v is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. So v equals to 1/3 pi into r square is replaced by 6h whole square into h. So v equals to pi by 3 into 36h cube overall. तो 3 से कैंसिल होगा तो ये 12h cube 12 pi h cube overall. V equals to, now taking derivative another such with respect to t, dv by dt is equal to 12 pi into 3h square into dh by dt. Now putting those values respectively here, dv by dt as 12 equals to 12 pi into 3 into 4 square into dh by dt. This 12 has been cancelled out from other sides, so remain dh by dt is equal to 1/48 pi centimeter per second. That's it. Question number 20. A conical vessel whose height is 4 meters and base radius 2 meters is being filled with water. Base radius is filled with water at the rate of 0.75 cubic meters per minute. Find the rate at which level of water is rising when the depth of water is 1.5 meter. तो ये फिगर ये 2 मीटर रेडियस है, 4 मीटर आपका ओरिजिनल हाइट है. Here OAB and QCB are similar triangles, are similar. Therefore, we can write OA by OB is equal to QC by QB. QC by QB. OA by OB is equal to QC by QB. Therefore, it will become 2/4 equals to R by H newly. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद हम लोग को मिला R is equal to H by 2. Again, we can write V is equal to 1/3 pi r square H. So V equals to 1/3 pi into H by 2 whole square. That would be using here from H by 2 whole square. H by 2 whole square. So 1/3 into pi h cube by 4. Overall 1/12 pi h cube. So dv by dt is equal to 1/12 into pi into 3h square into dh by dt. Taking derivative with respect to t. So pi h square is equal to pi h square by 4 into dh by dt. That is the overall calculation. Now putting those values here, 0.75 into pi into 1.5 whole square, h equals to 1.5. Here is the calculation. 2/4 into QC by 1.5. That will be QB is equal to 3/4. H का वैल्यू आ गया हम लोगों का 1.5 का होल स्क्वायर बाई 4 इंटू dh by dt. Putting those values here, तो 0.75 इंटू इक्वल्स टू पाई इंटू 1.5 का होल स्क्वायर होता जाता है आपका 2.25/4 इंटू dh by dt. Now cutting both sides by 0.75, it will be 1 and 3 respectively. So dh by dt equals to 4/3 pi meter per second. Thank you everyone. Wait for the next video. Thank you.